So hi, I forgot to film an intro for my video, so here it is. Today I'm going to be testing the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I am in the shade Amber. I watched like other people's videos and looked at swatches online just to see I what shade I would be roughly, and I think Amber is probably going to be a good match for me. Um, its concealer claims to be medium to full coverage, lightweight, and it's an oil-free formula as well. So if you've got oily skin like me or combination skin, then it's going to be really good. It claims to be long-wearing, water-resistant, and sweat-proof. It is 30 mils, or if you're in America or whatever, it's 1 fluid ounce in a bottle, and usually you can get it online for £13. But if you're lucky like me and you live in London, especially urban London, then you could just go to your local hair store or beauty supply store and get it for around £8 or £9, which is a plus. But yeah, see whether I think it is worth the £9 or £13 in the next few seconds. So my face has been prepped. I use the NYX First Base Priming Spray, which I do before any foundation routine. And yeah, I'm just gonna get started. Let's have a look. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting it to be a pump. Is it not a pump? Foundation is quite thick, so I'm just gonna... It's kind of unhygienic, if I'm honest. Maybe I'll just take it from the brush. Do one section at a time. Oh my gosh, it's like so thick. Seems to be a good colour match. Any scars I had on this side? Like, that is amazing. It actually looks like my skin. It blends into my neck so effortlessly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Obviously, because it's thicker, it's a bit more harder to spread around than some of my other liquid foundations, but it's still like really blendable. Oh my gosh. Put a bit over my eyes. And I'm using like the excess. Oh my gosh. I'm using the excess from this side on my eyes, and like literally I've never had a foundation that has so full coverage and fits so well and is cruelty free. Like, oh my gosh, I'm actually so gassed right now. I try not to put a lot of product on this area of my face just because I don't have many scars there, and that is where I get the most oiliest, so I try not to overload with makeup, especially in my smile lines as well. Gosh, I've literally been sleeping on this product. I don't have to colour correct. I don't have to conceal before. I think this actually might be my new foundation. Like, it's actually gonna be my new foundation. My skin got really good at the beginning of September, and then I did something stupid, and because of stress, it just like, my face sort of like blew up and had all these scars, despite trying for so many months to battle my acne. And yeah, I'm still trying to get rid of scars. This massive scar that was up here was actually cystic acne, which I can't help. It was a cyst, and yeah, finally got it to pop, basically. And yeah, that's why I've got that big old spot there. And it's such a dark spot, I just don't understand where it's gone. Like, this foundation I can't even say for the price or because it's a drugstore foundation. It's good for a drugstore foundation. It's good. It's literally just an amazing foundation. Like this, it's actually acted. I was gonna invest in the Vichy Derma Blend foundation because I know it covers really well with scars. Why waste my money? Why spend over 30 quid on that when I could just get this? It's literally covered everything. And that has literally taken me no time. The only reason it's taking longer to apply because I'm talking as well, but oh my gosh. And it looks so skin light, it's not too matte, it's not too dewy. I am in love. Oh, sorry, I'm so happy. Right, so I'm gonna finish doing the rest of my makeup. I don't even know if I'm gonna conceal underneath my eyes just because of how fantastic the coverage is on its own. But I will do the rest of my makeup and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Hi, so I realised I never filmed an outro or even an intro for this video. So I've had the makeup on since about 4:30 I put the makeup on, and it is now, don't know if you can see it, it's now just gone 11. So this makeup has been on my face for about 7 hours. I want to go to bed and I can't be bothered to do the full 8-hour wear test to see whether it will last up for like a full day of like work or school, whatever. But after 7 hours, my makeup looks like this. Nothing has budged, nothing has transferred. I did my normal sort of like contouring powder routine. I actually put less powder on than I usually would just to see how it would hold up in my T-zone, and my T-zone usually gets oily. It's not oily at all whatsoever. It doesn't look drying at all because I have got lots of dry patches on my face. There's not one dry patch at all. Even in my smile lines, I get really bad smile lines down here, and there are no smile lines at all whatsoever. It is just a fantastic foundation. Like, I genuinely think I found my holy grail foundation, especially when my skin is in this bad condition. Yeah, I'm just really happy, and for full coverage foundation and concealer, I would definitely give it, no, I'd actually give it a 10 out of 10, and that's not even me being generous. Like, it is such a wonderful product, and I'm so glad I got my hands on it. I will leave a couple of links below to where you could get it online in the UK. If anyone lives in London and wants to get this foundation for like £9 instead of £13, then hit me up and let me know in the comments. But yeah, I'm really happy with this foundation. So if you came to this far, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.